Welcome back, Jags. Last week, we kind of went over how to use Teams and other Microsoft products. So since I do have a blended classroom, your ELA classroom was going to be paperless or as little paper as possible. So we're going to go ahead and start a tutorial just in case you didn't get to practice last week or you may have forgotten over the weekend. So when you log onto your computer, the first thing you're going to do is click on your Launchpad and it's going to bring up your sign-in screen. So mine is already populated because I have mine saved. You're going to go ahead and type in your username correctly and your password and click Sign In. The next thing we're going to do is scroll through your apps. The app we're looking for is Office 365. It is the orange box with the white box inside. Click on that and now we're going to go to our Microsoft menu. Now this screen that just popped up, this is because I've never used Microsoft Office on this computer. So it will ask you to install an extension, which if you're on your computer, go ahead and do that. For me, I'm going to continue to the website. So here is my Office 365 dashboard. Please remember the terminology dashboard. So we have Outlook, which is your email. OneDrive, which is where all your files are saved to. So if you notice here, I have recent files that I have open. They are saved in my Microsoft OneDrive. Word is a blank document. That's how we're going to type up narratives. We're going to type poems. We're going to submit a lot of our assignments using Word. Excel is a spreadsheet. And of course, we all know what a PowerPoint is. And I'm going to teach you how to make PowerPoints without just having pictures. OneNote, we will get familiar with that because that's where all of your files will go. It's much like your binder. SharePoint is another way we can actually share files, and Teams, of course, you know, is the platform we use for delivering assignments and also conversing with each other. OneNote and Class Notebook are basically, they're almost the same. So what we're going to use actually is Class Notebook, and then Sway is another version of PowerPoint. So it's pretty neat. So we'll learn how to use that throughout the year. What I want you to do right now is go ahead and click on Teams. And for me, I'm actually a member of several teams. So you'll see all the teams that I have at this moment. So I have technology teachers. I am a Hornsby staff. I have a team there. My honors ELA class. And then, of course, this ELA class that I'm teaching now. So you're going to click on the ELA class now. And if you notice, remember, this was our Conversations tab. I do not want you to get distracted and start typing things to each other right now. This is not Facebook. This is for educational uses only. Files. Our files are here where we download things. So if you notice, Ms. Thomas has already added folders for you to add some of your things to. You may add things to it. So if we have an anticipation guide, which we will have soon for the book Holes, reading passages that I may assign to you will be housed in this folder. Worksheets such as homework or just something that you've done may go in there. Or if you need to print it at home, vocabulary here, and exemplars. Those are just examples of what work should look like, and anchor charts, which we use all the time. If you notice here, Talasia has uploaded her different strokes assignment to Class Notebook into her files. So this is pretty good. If she wanted to do that in her very own notebook, she could. So this is very good, Talasia. You did a great job. Class Notebook is here. And it's kind of difficult to see. Let me go ahead and stretch my screen a little bit. And if you see this little arrow, the welcome screen is always there. But this arrow opens up to your binder. So it looks like here, every single person has their own folder. So I'm going to use, for example, let me just go up top. I'll use the first person. I'll use Treasure. So if I open Treasure's tab, it has her projects, her bell ringer journal, her Cornell notes, and her digital activity log. That's have I been on iReady, have I been on Reading Plus, and then her quizzes, maybe her results may be housed or uploaded here. So she has everything in her digital binder, and she will also have a copy in her binder that she brings to class so she can show her parent. Now right here, if you click over, in her folder, it also says, it tells her about Ms. Thomas. I have not finished uploading my biography. You will also upload an about me in your notebook. Course description, this is here. I have not uploaded it because it's on our class page. The syllabus tells us what we're going to do. I will add that. And then expectations. All of this is housed under the welcome. So we have expectations and then any questions you may have on how to use class notebook. So we're going to go ahead and move on to assignments. This is what's very important. In assignments, you have the one that says different strokes. So when you click on the assignment, what you want to do in order to turn it in, you're going to click on create. And you can either create an assignment, and this is for me, a quiz, or from existing. So I'm going to stop there and I'm going to click on the assignment here. For me, I don't actually have any anything turned in because no one, oh wait a minute, Chase Burley turned one in. Let's see what he did. So Chase did upload his Word document here. So he says, write a paragraph about ways you can communicate this year. Chase did an awesome job uploading his assignment. So what we will do, we'll go ahead and click off of Chase, and I'll show you how he uploaded his assignment. So I am going to go to Student View, and here's the assignment. Remember, it was a PowerPoint. So when I got to the end, it was here. When you actually get to the assignment, there should be a big plus sign. So at the end of the assignment, the big plus sign gives you the ability to upload your documents. Now, I do not have a student view. I may have to actually add myself in as a student, but you'll click on the plus sign and it will ask you to upload. If you have saved your work to a file, kind of like Talasia did, you can get it from there. If not, you can upload it from either your OneDrive or your computer. Does that make sense? So I'm unable to do this from here because I'm looking at the teacher view, and I may come back and do another tutorial on how to do it from a student's point of view. So we'll go through over that in class, and I really, really, really hope you enjoy having a digital platform instead of walking around with paper and losing it in your backpack. I'll see you guys later. Go ahead and play around with the Teams app, and then I'll come back and show you how to create a Word document.